The Notes tab provides a place where the foreman may add explanations about unexpected variations in production. These notes can include any noteworthy information, such as inclement weather, labor shortage or illness, or even material delays. So when the project manager is reviewing progress and they want to understand why the project production levels fell beneath expected budgeted hours during a certain period of time, they can reference notes from that same period. For example, we've got a drop here in production on May 27th, and checking the Notes tab, we can see that this date just followed a holiday and 2 workers showed up late. Likewise, on the 3rd of June, we had another drop, which is due to a power outage that caused a 4-hour delay. To add a note, the foreman simply clicks the plus sign at the bottom left-hand corner and types in the relevant information. The note is time-stamped to add further authenticity to any issues at hand.